All right, look at this. We've got I don't know what version this is, but let me see if I got my password here correct. We got Cura on Ubuntu. Okay, pretty cool. So let's see if it installs. It's 4.132. I can't remember. I think they're on 4.7. uh, this is going to be rough. But okay, I need to learn more how to configure my own stuff, um, so that I can, get stuff working. Because right now, I've got a printer over here. I moved it to the back over here. This Solval SV07. They don't have a profile for it. If they did, I don't know. There was some weird German guy that made like a profile and explained how to do like all this weird crap to make it work. So I actually installed that on one of the other computers, but then accidentally got it all screwed up when I deleted some older versions of Cura. So when you have like a printer like some of these older printers, you need to use older versions of Cura to get the profile. And anyway, I ended up accidentally deleting my thing. I'd be curious to see how quick can this thing open on this particular computer. Let me see here. So we don't have Elegoo. Maybe we'll have Solval. I have this one here. The Kunovu Pyramid. That's the big, huge printer. It's oh god, what do you call it? The oh geez, the TA Auto, whatever. These big printers over here. I'm gonna have to see if I can even get that one, but it's these ones. These are the TA Auto Kunovo, whatever. These printers were sold and made by a couple different places, and pretty sure you cannot get one anymore.
117 degrees or 99 degrees and 30% humidity.
These California boys are whining.
Well, we got 53 degrees here and 95% humidity outside.
Let's see. Quick.
I've lived here far too long to be part of any kind of humidity, actually. Any little amount, and it bothers me. Well, it's not bad when it's cool. It's just when it gets warm.
We got all the Creality ones. Let's see. So we gotta look for Sunlu. So we got Solval 3D. Okay. We didn't even have anything. This is really old. So nothing past that.
I think you just get used to wherever you're at, and I've been out of the humidity for.
What was the other? So you got Solval and Sunlu, yeah. Which actually Sunlu should be on here, but it's not.
It's just brutal for me. It's like it's horrendous. I can't deal with it. Well, I know what you mean because I came from hot weather.
Huh. Okay. Well, this is about useless. All right. Let's go ahead and add the Creality. I like to use the CR10 profile a lot for those other printers.
I suppose so.
CR10 seems to work for all of them pretty good. Good enough.
And she moved all over the place, different places, but always kind of close to the coast. Anyway, she just moved to Texas, and now, I don't know, my brother-in-law said, I don't know if I can deal with this for too many more years. Was this humidity or hurricanes or what?
Ender 3.
Well, they're in the north part of Texas, near Oklahoma.
Ender 3 Pro.
North of Dallas. So they don't really get that hurricane, but the humidity is just clobbering him.
I don't know what the difference would be.
Now he's liking it there and all, but every once in a while he mentions how he's not real sure if he can go too many more years.
So the Ender 3. Yeah. We'll add it, but I'm curious if the Creality stuff might be on here. We go maybe PrusaSlicer too, but let me see. PrusaSlicer. Look at this, guys. Install.
Yeah, I feel like I've got this film coating all over me right now, man. I'm just sticky. I'm dry and it's nice and...
Oh my god, I can't listen to this guy. It's like a whiny surfer dude. Oh, dude, man. Oh, man. Oh, bro. Oh, we gotta go smoke another joint. I can't listen to the bro speak. Can't do it. This is California, like, crap. I don't know, the only place in the world you will hear people that talk like that. Let's see what we got. PrusaSlicer. It opened pretty damn quick. Okay, so we got configuration. Let's see. I think there might be a little more here. Open the PrusaSlicer? What's that going to do? PrusaSlicer detected system SSL certificate to specify. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, so we have that window that you need. Okay. Welcome to the configuration wizard. So it is possible to maybe do we click other vendors, or let's see, we got, oh, okay, so other vendors. Well, we're not going to go Creality, so let's see what we got for Elegoo. Next, Neptune 1, 2, 3, no 4, so these are all betas, so I won't do me any good because I got an Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. Cool that they do have these. I could probably go with the Neptune 3 Pro and probably modify it and make it work. Alright, so let's go to the back key and okay, other vendors. FL Sun. Some of these are for Solval. I'm gonna guess it's probably not gonna be on here. Next. Yeah, why is it showing that? We don't want that. Okay, Solval. Oh my goodness. We got the SV06 Plus. It's on here. How cool is that? Now, the SV05 is a Core XY maybe. SV04 is a dual goofy thing. And then these are basically Creality printers. In fact, these are more like the Kunovo 2A Auto SV01 Pro, SV02 with BL Touch. I like these ones better because they were still using Creality stuff, and I thought that was better than going to this crap. But anyway, uncheck that. So we got the SV06 Plus, so that'll be cool. Yeah, a new version is available. Do you wish to download? If it'll let me do it. I don't know if it'll let me do it from Linux. We'll try. So this is pretty cool to be able to use PrusaSlicer on Linux. I had a feeling, I was like, you know, Prusa's gonna have to be like the one to really probably embrace Linux, I think. So now I don't know what we would do with this. We'd probably, let me go in here, go to properties, and I'll go to permissions and click executable as a program, and then I'll click out of it, and then I'll click just run, and just to see if it'll run itself. It probably won't, but okay, open with try it again. Open with the App Center. I don't know. See, I have a feeling it's going to be really kind of difficult to update Prusa without like doing some really complicated stuff. I don't know how to do it. Okay, we'll open it with PrusaSlicer. Yeah. Okay. We go here, and if we downloaded it, there's probably no real way to update it, I'm thinking. No, there can't be. Okay, so it should work. Okay, I'm trying to think of what else I could try on here, but no, we're gonna. Wait, I just want to cancel. Discard, nothing. Okay, so we got PrusaSlicer. Okay, then we try the Orca one. ORCA. Think so? I don't know. Okay, let's try Creality. Okay. Well, they're not gonna do that. Okay, what else? What other slicer could we look up? Let's see. I think that's really about it. So the PrusaSlicer is going to allow me to at least use my SV06, and then the old version of whatchamacallit. That'll at least let me to use the TA Auto, and then for me to operate any of the other printers, I'm going to be on my own. The Ender 3s, yeah, they should be fine with probably PrusaSlicer or Cura. So I just can't think of anything else, but it's pretty cool that like you can just actually even have any of that at all on here. And you saw how I did it. I just installed it just like Windows, so pretty cool. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with you guys, that like there is some hope even for us people that we don't really know how to run script.